Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're gonna be making them Frank red hot lemon pepper wings. So you see these that mountain of chicken right there. We're gonna transform that into a delicious, I mean delicious, recipe. Hey, right there we got that cornstarch right there. So that's about 2 cups. And then we got the smoked paprika, about 2 tablespoons, and then lemon pepper seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're just gonna get at a nice little whisk, make sure everything is mixed in. And then we're gonna drop our wings in there. Now the difference between the flour and that cornstarch is a little bit on that fluffier side, almost like powdered sugar. So you just want to lightly coat that, and you want to lightly coated wings, since this is going into the air fryer. And as you see me doing here, I'm just lightly coating these bad boys before we get it prepped to go in that air fryer. So we're just repeating the steps there and sitting it on that wire rack so it can rest, and you see those wings there. So now what you want to do before you place your wings on those racks, make sure that you either grease them or lightly spray them with the non-stick cooking spray. You don't want your wings to stick, just because it's a grated shelf there. It's going to tend to want to stick on you. And when you're placing your wings on there, please give it a little bit of room so that air can circulate and cook your wings. So again, I got that Powerxl. It's a 10-quart air fryer, and I got 3 racks full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this thing on 400 degrees, and I'm gonna take it to 40 minutes. So in the middle of that cooking process, so about 20 minutes, we're gonna take the racks out, and then we're gonna flip over the wings, and we're gonna lightly coat them with cooking oil. So I'm using canola, canola cooking spray, and then you see where those white spots are on the chicken. I'm just spraying those so it can assist the chicken in cooking and getting that crisp fried taste or crisp fried texture that you're looking for. So again, doing the front and back of those wings, and then we're going to place these back into the air fryer for the remaining 20 minutes. So I got my 3rd rack done, and just placing this back into the air fryer, and then we'll let this continue to cook for the remaining of the time. So you see it right there, that's the 400 degrees, and it got 20 more minutes ready to go. So after the 20 minutes, you can see that steam coming out that thing, and then we're gonna bring these bad boys out again, those 3 racks, and as you can see, lightly, and it's golden brown right there. So that's what you want right there coming out that air fryer. So now I gotta go ahead and taste one of these bad boys, since they lightly golden brown and fried. So here you go, right here. Look at that, that's in the air fryer, man. That's good, man. It's still piping hot, but it's juicy. See that, man? Look at that right there, piping hot, and it's tender. That's what's up. Let's get back to this. Alright, so let's get back to it. So get you a mixing bowl that you can mix these wings into it. So we got that Frank's red hot right there. So that's about a cup and a half that I'm pouring into there. And then you got 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. So what you want to do here is just get you a lemon. I got this thing cut in half, and just squeezing that juice out, man. You can get you a a juicer if you like, man. I just picked that lemon up and squeeze that juice out of it, and then you just mix that ingredients in together, man. Nothing real hard. Like I said, just Frank's hot. You got your lemon pepper sauce, and you don't really need butter because that Frank hot sauce has butter already into it. So then you just placing your wings into that mixing bowl right there, and then you gonna get a stangle of shake, and you gonna get those wings all coated in there, man. So again, man, you gotta toss those wings, man. Toss them in that sauce, because you the boss, and you can see it right there, man, nice and coated. And then we just bring these bad boys out, do the rest, man, and it's an easy recipe. So you can see them coming out that bowl right there, nice. And look at it, man, that's out the air fryer. Crispy, nice wings. And like I said, if you like hot wings like me, there you go. All right, so there you have it, man. Some Frank hot lemon pepper wings, man. And I'm gonna tell you, man, them things Looks delicious, man. Look right here. From the air fryer. There you go, man. That's fire. That's real good, man. Look at that. That's real good. If you're new to the channel, man, smash that subscribe button. Hey, hit that thumbs up. And again, man, I'm going to go ahead and smash into these wings, man. We'll see you later. Peace.